Welcome to Saloni's Simple Kitchen. Today we'll be making smash or crush plantain. Check it out. Okay guys, so first we're gonna need some plantains. Yes, so we have our plantains right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and peel the plantains. Now there's a link in the description box below that shows you how to peel green bananas. It's basically the same procedure, but I'm just gonna peel one of them and let you see. Yes, so that's basically how you do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get all these plantains peeled up and paste them into a bowl of water, and I'll be back. So our plantains are all peeled and ready to slice. So what I'm going to do, let me just show you right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to cut these. So you can cut them like that. One plantain in 3 or 4 slices, or you can do them like this, about, let's see, about 1-inch slices, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up all the plantains, and then we're gonna get them fried. So that's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drain off the water, and then we'll be frying up these babies. Yeah. So I have a fry pan here with some oil. You can use regular cooking oil or flavored oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the plantains in the oil, and I'm not gonna cook them all the way through. So we just want them to be golden. So I'm just going to go ahead and toss them, just to make sure that they're evenly golden on all sides. Yeah, I like that. So our plantains have been cooking for about 3 minutes over medium heat, and they're all golden and looking nice. So I'm just going to go ahead now and remove them. Right, so I'm going to let these cool off, and while they're cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and continue to fry the other pieces. So we want to cook these just the same way on all sides until they're golden. Right, so now that our plantains have been cooled down a bit, I went ahead and start to crush or smash them. So I'm just going to show you how I go ahead and do that. So I just place it on a cutting board, and I take a potato masher and just press it down, just like that. Yes, so that's what you're looking for. Just like that. Perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and crush or smash all these plantains, and then we'll move on to the next step. Yes, so I'm just going to go ahead now and return back these crushed or smashed plantain back to the oil, the hot oil, and get them fry up real crispy. And we're still keeping our heat on medium because we don't want to burn them. So I'm just going to turn them so they can crisp up on both sides. And they just take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Just want to make sure that you check them so that they don't burn. Now our plantains have been crisped up real nice, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove them from the oil and have them drain on paper towel just to remove the excessive grease. So once you remove the plantains from the oil, you can continue to fry the remaining plantains, and what you want to do is just to sprinkle some salt on the finished plantain, just like that. So I'm going to show you guys how I crush the large slices of plantain. So while these crisp up, I'm just going to go ahead and show you that. Yes, so this is how we do the large slices. That's it. And you just fry them up just the same. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get everything crisp up, and then we'll be back. Yeah, man. Don't go anywhere. See them here? Jamaican crush or smash plantain. Them ready, you know? Yeah. Now guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a comment so we can chat. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes, and go ahead and click the bell, yes, so you can get notification whenever I upload new videos. Yeah, man. So it's set, you see it. Real crispy and nice.